What if I told you that you can save significant amount of money per year just by switching to an electric vehicle? Sounds too good to be true? Well, let's break down the real cost of owning an EV in the Philippines. In this video, we'll compare fuel and electricity cost, maintenance cost, and real monthly expenses. And by the end, you will know if electric vehicle is actually worth it or just hype. Let's start with the biggest question. Is owning an EV actually cheaper? At first glance, electric vehicles look expensive, but the real story is not the price. It's the cost of ownership over time. Let's talk about fuel versus electricity cost. This is a simple comparison of running costs per kilometer. Later on, we'll see in details on the table. But to have the overview, here you can see gasoline car, 4 pesos to 5 pesos per kilometer. So given the price of 60 to 70 per liter and the efficiency range of 12 to 15 kilometer per liter. And for electric vehicle is 1 peso to 2 pesos per kilometer with a price of 10 to 13 pesos per kilowatt hour and the efficiency range of 6 to 7 kilometers per kilowatt hour. Let's see the fuel versus electricity cost comparison table. We have the metric, energy price, driving efficiency, and cost per kilometer, and the bottom line. For gasoline, as we already mentioned, let's stick to the price of between 60 pesos to 70 pesos per liter. Electric vehicle costs actually 10 to 13 pesos per kilowatt hour price of electricity. So the driving efficiency is 12 to 15 kilometer per liter, the typical gasoline car. And for electric vehicle is 6 to 7 kilometer per kilowatt hour. That's also typical EV. Cost per kilometer is 4 to 5 pesos and for electric vehicle is 1 to 2 pesos per kilometer. Electric vehicle is up to 70% cheaper. The low energy cost per kilometer. Gas car versus EV maintenance. Simple comparison of yearly maintenance costs. Again, this is an overview. Later on, we will discuss it in details with the comparison table. For gasoline car, 15,000 to 20,000 pesos per year. For electric vehicle is actually 10,000 pesos to 13,000 pesos per year. Let's proceed with this details presentation. Gas cars versus EV maintenance comparison table. All changes required for gasoline car, none for electric vehicle, spark plugs, periodic maintenance, none for electric vehicle, exhaust repairs, possible overtime with gasoline car, and none for electric vehicle. So transmission servicing can be required with gasoline car, and for electric vehicle is simpler drivetrain. So moving parts, more mechanical parts, and fewer moving parts for the electric vehicle. Yearly cost is 15,000 to 20,000 pesos per year, and for electric vehicle is 10,000 to 13,000 pesos per year. So this is another big saving for electric vehicle. What about the real monthly expenses? So let's have the assumption. Imagine you drive 35 kilometers per day. That's about 1,000 kilometers per month. So overview for gas car, it's about 4,000 to 5,000 pesos monthly fuel cost. For EV is 1,000 to 2,000 monthly electricity cost. That's savings of 3,000 per month or over 36,000 pesos per year. And that's just for fuel. Or electric driving can cut monthly energy costs by roughly 60 to 80%. Let's see the comparison table for details. So the metric driving assumption, we already mentioned that. Let's proceed to monthly energy cost. Again, for monthly energy costs, 4,000 to 5,000 pesos for gasoline. Electric vehicle is 1 to 2,000. Monthly savings versus gas. As you can see here, about 3,000 pesos savings in favor of electric vehicle. And in a year, 36,000 pesos savings. So electric vehicle has a lower running cost. With those presentations and data, and as the electricity stays stable and the prices of the fuel fluctuate, electric vehicle becomes more practical every year. Electric vehicles are not just about the future. It's about saving money today. If you are thinking about switching, watch this next video about electric vehicle, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid because that decision can save you thousands every year. Thank you for watching.